Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to upload an ebook on Seller, how to upload a digital product on Seller. So I'll be very straightforward with this tutorial so that it doesn't take too long. So if you want a very detailed video on this particular topic, you can watch my previous video where I discussed this topic and even reviewed how you can get affiliates that will help you market your products. So I'll drop the link to those tutorials in the description so that you can get to watch them in case you want a very detailed video. So this one will be very brief and we'll be very fast about this. So once you go to your seller site, so you just go and log in over there. So I'll click on start selling with seller so that I can log into my account. So you can see my account is already logged in because I have an account here already. So if you don't have an account before now, once you click on start selling, it will take you to a place where you get to create your account and you get to follow the instructions there and create your account. Also, if you don't know how to create your account, I dropped a video in the description so that you can learn how to create your account on Seller. So once you've created your account, then you'll be welcome with this interface. You'll also be on this particular interface. So once you're on this interface, you need to come to where we have add products. Can you see add products right here? So just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on add products, so right here you get to select the kind of products you want to add. There are several kind of products you can sell on Seller. Can you see all of them? From subscriptions to services, even physical products. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to go with digital products. So I'll just tap on next. So once I tap on next, then it will load up this page for me. So right here is where you get to like upload your products, the product you want to sell on Seller. So the first thing on our list right here is for us to choose an image. So just click on drag and drop and you get to like choose any image of your choice. So I'll just tap on drag. I'll tap on the store right there. So you can see all the image on my phone right here. So let me just choose one of these images. Assuming you want to promote a course that talks about YouTube automation, let's assume I choose this image because it's similar to YouTube automation. So I'll just click on done right here. So you can see that it has been uploaded to the platform. Can you see? So the next thing you do is you put the name of your product right here. So right here, I'll assume that the name of my product is YouTube course. So I just put in YouTube course right there. So right here is where you get to choose your product price. Can you see? They say sale price and there's NGN in front of it. Don't bother. You have the chance to choose other currencies also. The good thing about Seller is that you can sell in several currencies. Do you understand? So just go to the description. You see a video on how to set the several currencies on Seller. Do you understand? I already made a video on that. Everything you need to have a broad understanding of Seller, I have a video on it. Just check the description and you'll see a video on how to set currencies on Seller. So just come ahead and choose your product price right here. So I just assume I want to sell this for 5,000. So you can see there's NGN there, so that's 5,000 naira. So then if at all you want to offer a discount, you can choose this particular one that says show strike out original. So once you tick on that, they'll give you the privilege to strike the original price and then present the current price you want to sell your products. So let me just show you what I'm saying. So I'll just tick it. Can you see original price has appeared down here? Let's assume I want the original price to be 10,000. So I just put 10,000 right here. So once your prospect clicks on your link, they'll be seeing the original price that is striked out and then they'll see the current price which is 5,000. That is how it works. So this is very good if you are actually running a discount for your products. This feature is very good if you are running a discount, if you are running some offers. Do you understand? So once you're done with that part, then you come over here to fill in this. This is where you get to put your product description, everything about your product, more like your sales page. Do you understand? So there are several features right here. You want to be very creative, just go ahead and explore several of them. If you want to make your headings bigger, you can play in between these. Can you see? We have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. Can you see all that? We have the bold right here. We have italic, underline, link. In case you want to make a clickable text, you can make use of that feature right there. And if you want to strike out price, you can make use of this feature right here. Then there's a privilege for you to upload an image, even upload a video, several of them. Do you understand? Just the way you create a landing page, that's the same way it is right here. If you don't know how to create a landing page, I'll advise you to go and watch a tutorial on how to create a landing page in the description so that you can create something very good that will attract your customer whenever they come to your sales page on Seller. So once you are done creating all these, it's a simple drag and drop. So once you are done creating all that, then you now scroll down to where you have categories. So right here, you have to select the category of your product. So let's assume my product category falls under wealth and finance. Okay, let's go with business since it's a YouTube automation course. So then I'll come down here and choose a subcategory for my product. So I just tap the drop down arrow, then I'll look for something that's aligned with what I do. So if you're talking about YouTube automation, it falls under blogging and it falls under content creation. So I just go for content creation. Then you scroll down again. Can you see? Just leave this part. You don't need that. So right here, you can see they have product type. You need to choose the kind of product you are selling. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll leave it as digital products because we are trying to sell an ebook or probably a digital product, a course. So once you're done with that, so there's also a privilege for you to show your prospects a pre-order date. So if you tick this, then you get to like choose a pre-order date on the platform, which people get to see that, okay, this thing is currently in pre-order phase. Do you understand? It's currently in pre-order phase. So you can see that over here, it's written give buyer access to a file. Then there's downloadable file and there's read-only PDF. So peradventure, it's something you want your prospects to access instantly once they purchase your products. Then you leave it as this. But if you don't want them to access it instantly, if you want them to come to your WhatsApp DM, or probably they should come to somewhere else, probably your Telegram DM, just untick this and to give you a privilege for you to put in a link whereby once they click on that link, they'll land in your WhatsApp DM or they'll land on a website or they'll land on your Telegram DM. So in that case, it means you have to choose the second option, which says automatically redirect the buyer to an external link. So once you choose that second option, can you see? Then you get to provide the link right here, the link you want your prospects to access. But then I'll be going with the one that says automatically redirects products to an external link. You can also go with the two if you want the two to function. So what I'll do right here is for me to upload a link on this platform. So let me assume my link is www.youtube.com just for the sake of this tutorial. So over there, I believe you must have created a unique link for yourself, which you want your prospects to access after they purchase your product. So once you're done filling this, then you now proceed and click on create products. So let's click on create products and see what we have created. So let me click on create products and let's see. Oh, you see this? They said, oops, looks like you missed something. You need to add a description for your product. All right, that's because I'm actually test running this for you. So let's just add something briefly so that you get to see how it truly works. So let me just assume I want to write something like buy my YouTube course. So over there, you want to have something very detailed, something very elaborate. That is why I said you should actually go and watch the video on how to create a proper landing page. So can you see buy my YouTube course? So let's assume this is my product description. Then I'll go ahead and click on create products. So let's click on create products once more. So once I click on that, can you see it is creating already? And can you see it has created successfully? Can you see success? Congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it at, then you get to click this link. So this particular link is the link you get to send to your prospects if you want them to buy from you. So just copy this link. So once you copy the link, then save it in your notepad and you get to give it to your prospects whenever they want to buy your product. So let's open this link and see what we created. So I'll just tap on the link right here. So once I tap on it, can you see what we created? Can you see this? So it is showing Ghana cedis right here because I have several currencies on my store. So you can get to choose any currency you want on your store. If you want USA, if you want Euro, if you want GBP, that's British pound, if you want Naira, any currency, it's available on Seller. So you can see, and this is the description. So it's written by my YouTube course. So over there, I believe you should have something more detailed that explains the benefit of them buying your YouTube course. So it's important you learn how to promote your products properly, and it is also important you learn how to get affiliates that will promote your product for you. So I'll advise you to go to the description and check those videos in the description so you get to learn how you can sell your products and also get to learn how you can get people that will actually promote your products for you. I mean how you can get affiliate marketers that will actually help you promote your product for you. And that's basically how you get to like upload your digital product on Seller. So I believe you got value from this tutorial. I believe you got value. If you actually did, ensure to like this video, ensure to subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section if this video was very valuable for you. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.